Hello my friends, this is Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the oldest ways to make money online. People have been doing this in one way or another since people could stand up and walk. This is the oldest way to make money online. I did it about 12 years ago with my now wife, and we had our first $10,000 month. It was way over 10,000, but I always think of it as 10,000, five figures in a month. But we were like sending out emails and doing a lot more stuff than I am about to show you. But you can grow this into a full-time business. And when I say full-time business, I mean job replacing income. And I look at a lot of these side hustles on YouTube, and I'm like, that's rubbish. That's terrible. You're not really telling people how to do anything. What I'm telling you in this, okay, use three main platforms I would recommend, okay? That would be Fiverr. That would be a platform called People Per Hour, okay? People Per Hour. And a platform called Legit, all right? So let's just start with Fiverr. So you can see here logos, all right? These logos, 1,000 sold for $10, 1,000 sold for 1,000 sold, and on and on and on and on and on and on. Right, let's be honest now, these logos are not exactly like wow. Like, let's look at this, okay, these are handwriting logos. You can do this for free on Canva or something, so I'm not very impressed with this at all. I did have one open there that I found. I think it was this one, Dora. Now, $75. That's why I put this on the thumbnail, okay? $5 into 75. And if we look at Dora's logos, who has sold over 1,053 logos, and she has 9 orders in the queue right now. So that means that right now she is having 9 people, who have just paid her, and she's creating their logos for them. And look at her logos, they're just not that good. Now, we can go and find somebody very easily who will do this for $5. So what you want to do is you want to go to Fiverr, or we'll look at People Per Hour and Legit in a minute, because there's other services that you can use and sell, not just logos. So we'll go to newest arrivals, because usually they're cheaper. So let's see. Oh, that's expensive for a new arrival. Okay, this one. I will design a stunning luxury logo for you in 12 hours. All right, boom. This is a guy. Let's see. Looks good to me. Yep. Those logos are maybe even better than the ones that we saw there. Okay, they're different, but they are just as good. So why not? Now, what I would recommend that you do is look, 2 logo ideas. Can you see that? 2 logo ideas, and that's the basic package. He does have other packages going up, but even if you're paying $15 and you're selling it for, what's this lady go up to $195, it's a huge profit. It's a massive profit. Actually, after this person came up to me recently and asked me, can you build a website? And I was like, I didn't want to do it, but I didn't want to be rude, because I kind of knew this person and they know that I am an expert at building websites and, SEO enthusiast, whatever you want to call it. And I was like, okay, but it's going to cost $1,200. And I said, usually I charge $1,600, but for you, I'll give it to you for $12. And they're like, okay. And I contacted somebody that I know on Fiverr who does them for $200. Like I said, $1,000 in my pocket for pretty much nothing. So I'm going to make a whole, website post on my website page, connected to my main marketing website, and start selling websites and maybe logos and backlinks, because as well as selling, logos, you can sell things like backlinks, okay? So Very easy to do. You just go up to the top here and you click become a seller. All right, we're at 5 minutes already. I want to keep this about 10. So become a seller. You just click that. It's super easy to do. Scroll down. You are a designer, developer, doesn't really matter, whatever. And you just click start selling. Boom, off you go. You create your profile. How do you create your profile? Oh, well, you go and copy somebody else's like this. You all know how to copy paste and then go in, change the name. Hi, I'm Mark. There you go. Boom, done. And you tell people what they're going to get. And it's as simple as that. And literally, you are selling from one Fiverr, you're buying from one Fiverr seller, and you're selling to to anybody who comes to you asking for a logo. Now, here's my quick tip: don't put your price too low. Okay, there is a reason that this first person that I found. There is a reason that this person is able to get 1,000 orders and 1,000 orders, have 9 orders in the queue. If you make your website, and her logos ain't even that good. Like, they're basic. So, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't be happy with any of these for a logo. That's just me. So, if you make it too cheap, people are going to come, come onto these platforms, because you're going to remember. I want you to do it. If you're going to do this, do it. Go to Fiverr. Go to people per hour. Okay, peopleperhour.com, and go to a platform called Legit and make 3 different profiles. You can use the same username, and you're basically just copy and pasting exactly what it is that you're selling. So logos, I think you get the idea how easy that is. And like I said, don't make them too cheap. If you make them too cheap, okay, people are going to look at the price and be like, oh no, I want to spend a bit more to get better quality. Now, they don't really know what better quality is, so put the price up to $95. And that's a nice, comfortable price where we all feel right. And even if you're paying $15 or $10, you're still making, pretty good money. So that's logos. What else can we sell? So let us look at people per hour. Just checked backlinks. Okay, so you can see here guest post. Guest post on Dash Fight. This guy sold 425 of his whatever it is, his backlink. Sorry, guest post for 360. Now let's go to this website. And I just again put in backlinks, and this came up. Actually, when I logged in, it came up because I'm a member. I do use these websites, and you can see this guy is selling 10,000. Do follow SEO backlinks. You can now go take this exact offer. Look how many this guy sold. A lot. All right. You can now take this, go over to Fiverr. You've got your logo you've got your logo listing there, and then you can also add in other things that you're selling. If you go to some sellers on Fiverr, people per hour, whatever, they have some of them have like 30, 40 things that they're offering. So there's no limit on what you can offer. So why not take this offer? 10,000 do follow SEO backlinks. Now, that's a lot of backlinks. Not very good for your website, but people are, don't know better, so they're buying this. You could easily take this, go to Fiverr, and sell this for, I don't know, a lot. You could sell this for $300, $295, something like that. And I bet you that this would sell for sure. Okay? So I hope you get what I'm saying here. This is arbitrage. It is the easiest way of making money online that I know. Whenever I need money, or in the past, whenever I needed money, I would just go onto LinkedIn, I'd find some companies, I'd see which ones had websites, which ones didn't. If they didn't have a website, I'd send them an email, like I have all the templates still. Send them an email and I'd say, I see you having a website, blah, 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 blah. This is my cost for a website. Maybe they'd email back, ask a few questions, and then I'd be like, yeah, usually we charge 1,200, but I can do it for 800 for you. Then I go to my girl who does it for me for 200, and boom, there we go. I've just made money. Easy. Just from swapping login details. Easy, easy peasy. I'm just the middle man. That's what you have to remember. You're the middle man or woman, whatever. Man, woman, you're the middle person. So you're dealing with the person who's selling the logo, and you're dealing with the person who wants to buy the logo. And that's all you're doing. You're just being the middle person. That's it. So I can't think of a simpler way to make money online. And like I said, you can get creative and try different things. Search for different 10 minutes exactly. So you can search for different things like YouTube thumbnail. Boom. Let's search for that. I bet you $10. Okay, it's pretty low. $5. Okay, there's somebody even that's doing it for $5. They've sold 1,000 plus. You could very easily, let's see if we click on this, what happens. I bet you she has upgrades. Yeah, there you go. Premium is $50. So you could 25 YouTube thumbnails. That's weird. Why would you want 25? Anyway, she's selling 2 YouTube thumbnails for $5. You go make a listing for, even if you make the listing for $35, $45, you're still making, if you sell for 45, you're still making $40. So, I cannot think of an easier way to make money online than this. All right. Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, or legit.com. Okay. And these are just filled with people selling things for cheap that you can sell for a lot more. Okay. And it's very easy. Copy, copy, and boom, you've done it. Also, as well, just last thing. There is a huge demand for this. I just searched for sites like Fiverr. We used to advertise on all these sites, me and my wife, and we use Freelancer, we use Guru, we used Upwork, People Per Hour. I think that was it. No, SEO Clerks, but SEO Clerks is really bad. On SEO Clerks, you can get a logo made for $1. $1. And it's good. So, that's another video, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this. I mean, it's super easy to do. Why would you not do this if you need some extra money? It is literally the easiest way I know to make money online. And you can go from everything into logo design, video editing, graphic design, photo editing, Facebook logo, whatever you want. Because if people are selling them on here, then there is absolutely no reason why you cannot sell them as well, except sell them for more and keep the difference. Since the days of cavemen, when cavemen would be like, oh, I have a chicken head, or whatever cavemen had, I have a rock, let's swap. And maybe that caveman had got his chicken head from somebody a lot cheaper than the guy who had the rock. So it's the oldest form of making money that there is. Now we can just do it online. And remember, businesses don't know that this is going on. So you're cheating nobody, you're making honest money, and you're giving people what they want. What more can we ask for? And you're making money, which is the most important part. So guys, remember to give this a like, subscribe for more cool stuff, and leave a comment because it does help with the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one.